Sweet potato and black bean enchiladas. Ingredients: 2 large sweet potatoes, peeled and diced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion, diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 can, 15 ounces, black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 can, 15 ounces, diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 8 to 10 small flour tortillas, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, fresh cilantro, chopped, for garnish. For the sauce, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1 can, 15 ounces, tomato sauce, 1 cup vegetable broth, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. 2. In a large skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the diced sweet potatoes and cook until they are tender, about 10 minutes. Remove the sweet potatoes from the skillet and set aside. 3. In the same skillet, add the diced onion and minced garlic. Sauté until the onion becomes translucent, about 5 minutes. 4. Add the black beans, diced tomatoes, with their juices, cumin, chili powder, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper to the skillet. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. Cook for an additional 5 minutes. 5. In a separate saucepan, prepare the enchilada sauce. Heat the olive oil over medium heat, then whisk in the flour until it forms a paste. Gradually pour in the tomato sauce and vegetable broth, whisking constantly. Add the cumin, chili powder, salt, and pepper. Cook the sauce for 5 to 7 minutes, until it thickens. 6. To assemble the enchiladas, spoon a small amount of the sauce onto the bottom of a baking dish. Take a flour tortilla and spoon some of the sweet potato and black bean mixture onto the center. Roll it up and place it seam side down in the baking dish. Repeat this process with the remaining tortillas and filling. 7. Pour the enchilada sauce over the rolled tortillas, ensuring they are all coated. Sprinkle the shredded cheddar cheese evenly over the top. 8. Bake the enchiladas in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. 9. Once cooked, remove the enchiladas from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. Garnish with fresh cilantro. 10. Serve the sweet potato and black bean enchiladas warm and enjoy. Note: feel free to customize this recipe by adding other ingredients like diced bell peppers, corn kernels, or jalapenos for some extra flavor and spice.